Most people try to make money with AI and quit within 2 weeks. Not because the tools don't work, they do, but because nobody tells you the actual effort required. Let me walk you through 3 paths that have a real shot with honest numbers attached. Path 1. AI-assisted freelancing on Upwork or Fiverr. This is where the actual money lives right now. You use Claude, ChatGPT, or Perplexity to speed up client work, copywriting, SEO content, email sequences, data analysis. Then you deliver under your name. The tool is just leverage. Real numbers. People typically charge $40 to $150 per project, depending on complexity and niche. Most spend 2 to 5 hours on a project, so that's $8 to $75 per hour. But here's the thing most tutorials won't say. You still need a portfolio, testimonials, and 3 to 6 months to build momentum. It's not automated. You're doing client work. Where people fail, they treat it like passive income. You need to reply to messages, revise drafts, and handle customer service. If you're not good at sales or don't have time to manage clients, this path stalls fast. The AI speeds up the execution. It doesn't replace the business side. Path 2. Niche content and affiliate marketing. You create guides, comparison articles, or tutorials in a specific area. Say, AI tool for small business or affordable design software. You publish on Medium, Substack, or your own site. You link to tools you actually use and earn commission if someone clicks and buys. The realistic earnings window, $100 to $500 a month after 6 months of consistent posting. Some creators report $1,500 to $3,000 after a year, but you're writing 1 or 2 pieces a week. That's roughly 5 to 10 hours per week, plus SEO work and promotion. The content does compound over time, which is why this one's closer to semi-passive than the others. The honest failure point. Most people write 3 articles, see 0 traffic, and stop. Content ranking takes 2 to 4 months minimum. If you can't stay consistent without immediate payoff, this doesn't work. You're betting on cumulative effort, not instant results. Path 3. Build and sell simple AI tools or templates. Create a Notion template, a Midjourney prompt library, or a ChatGPT workflow guide. Sell it on Gumroad, Etsy, or your own email list. This one genuinely scales with minimal effort after launch. Real numbers. A Notion template or prompt bundle might sell for $7 to $30. Some creators report $500 to $2,000 monthly from a single product. But, and this is critical, you need an audience or marketing channel to drive traffic. Without an email list, social following, or ad budget, you're selling to nobody. The failure pattern here is different. People build a polished product, launch it, and assume people will find it. They don't. You need a funnel, a way to get eyeballs. That's usually $500 to $5,000 in ads or 3 to 6 months of content marketing. The product itself is the easy part. Here's what every guide leaves out. All 3 paths require upfront work with no immediate income. Freelancing takes weeks to land your first client. Content takes months to rank. Products sit unsold without distribution. The people who actually succeed don't think about set it and forget it. They think about which type of work they can sustain for 3 to 6 months before making real money. Pick the path that matches your current skill and schedule, not the one that sounds easiest. The single most useful thing I can tell you, AI tools are not the business. They're just the operating system. Your ability to sell, write consistently, or build an audience, that's what actually makes money. Subscribe for more honest breakdowns on tools that actually move the needle.